Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex Day trade setup for today. So starting with Euro USD as usual, and you can see on the 8 hour we're very much range bound. Is what could potentially be a trend break or trend line break that is forming there, which does look like a little bit of a flag as well. If you look at that, but for me at the moment, we've had a bit of a squirt up. You can see we've got structure to the left. So I just want to use, I think, this one here. I'm going to get too messy. So that's the structure to the left. You can see we're kind of flirting with it at the moment. So if we come down to the hour, bear in mind that the 8 hour trend is down. If you look at the hour, we're above the 155. We are holding above 155. We've got a crossover. We've broken a trend line. It does look to me like we're heading to the top of the range. So that is 116,178. But for me, we're going to have to clear this 116,178 for me to be confident that we have more upside to come. So at the moment, Friday was a pretty big down and big big down, big up day. So it's a big pin bar on the daily. And then we had this confusion, up and down, tails all over the place, barbed wire. And now we're forming some form of a flag. So my advice is quite simple. You're looking for a break and retest of 115,920. Low of the day of today will be the stop area, and then you're looking for a move to 116,178. Do that on the 15 minutes, probably safer to do that. But bear in mind that 8 hour, the trend is down. 1 hour, it looks like we're getting a bit of a change in the trend. Break back below 115,627, then I suspect we'll be coming back down here to 115,147. So kind of sideways at the moment. So for me personally, I sit on the sidelines. US dollar, Japanese yen, we have got a clear break of 113,373, and that was the bottom of the range. I'd want to see a retest of that area before looking for any opportunities to downside. So if you look at the hour, you'll see that will be fairly clear. You've got two areas now. So this would be my first preference, 113,088, and my second preference for a retest is going to be pretty much at 113,305, and we haven't tested either of them, so we've broken through. So those are the two areas that I'd be looking for an opportunity for a move to the downside. What move, you may ask? You're looking for something in the region of just taking the range height and put some structure in here. So you're looking for something in the region of 112,254. If I come back to the 8 hour, you'll see there's a little bit of structure a little bit lower down. So that's more than likely what you're going to aim for. So either 112,254 or alternatively 112,093. Moving on to British pound, Japanese yen, and you can see big sell-off on going at the close of last week, and then we're just basically going sideways right in amongst the level. So remember what I said, you're looking for one of these two levels for structure, and it does look like 152,560 is the area to pay attention to. Whether this is just a retrace or whether we are going to fall further, that's still up for debate right now. I think we'd have to wait and see what forms here. But you can see we are sideways in the hour. So when we're sideways like this, I'm not interested in that. I'm looking for clear breaks. And at the moment, for the upside, that is a clear break. I'm looking for 153,683. That will give me upside. I'm not really filled with confidence on a short at the moment because you've got major area of support here at 152,560. So break below that and sort of reject it, then I'll be open to shorts. But at the moment, money in pocket, wait for a break one way or the other. Lastly, Euro British pound, and you can see pretty much the start of the week off with a bit of a pullback. We had two levels that I gave you yesterday. Those two levels are still very much in play. And we may be in an area here which could be interesting. So, but we're going to have to get some kind of structure. So you can see sideways and then down, and now we're going sideways. So I would expect more than likely a retest of this area, 0.85137. Not really interested in jumping into something which looks like that. So so I think for Forex to me today, it a clear sit on hands day. I'm not really keen until we start getting to these big levels and start testing them. We start rejecting big levels, then I am looking for the opportunities. But at the moment, patience is key, so we'll just wait for some structure to happen before starting to look for trades. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.